farthest corners of India, where schools are few and paths are rugged, curiosity waits quietly for its chance to grow. STEM learning brings that chance, turning remote classrooms into spaces where students can explore, experiment, and discover. Our mini science centers are not just kits of 80+ models, they are tools of transformation. Each model simplifies STEM concepts, letting students see, touch, and understand ideas that once felt out of reach. Children grasp principles in action and see their relevance in the world around them. Carrying and setting up these models is no small feat. Across steep Himalayan trails, through icy paths and narrow roads, our teams transport each piece carefully. Every installation is a commitment, bringing interactive learning to students who would otherwise be left behind. Teachers are trained to guide this new approach, creating classrooms where students question, collaborate, and build knowledge together.
The students are very happy. They are very interested in learning as well. Teachers are very happy for all the models that we have got in our school. The teachers are very much experiencing things themselves, as well as they are helping the students to overcome the fear of science and mathematics that our students had.
Peer-to-peer learning becomes the norm. Curiosity drives discussions, and lessons move beyond memorization to real understanding. Through this immersive approach, students gain not only STEM knowledge, but also confidence, creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Foundations that will shape their futures and open doors to 21st century careers.
और हमारे स्कूल में एक मिनी लैब बनाया गया है जिसमें हम एक्टिविटीज़ वगैरह कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि हम बुक में पढ़ते हैं वो प्रैक्टिकली नहीं कर सकते, पर ये मिनी लैब की वजह से हमें बहुत हेल्प होता है एक्टिविटी करने में.
From Thang in Nubra Valley to Tawang on the Bhutan border and Lachung in North Sikkim, STEM learning is reaching where few dare to go, proving that geography cannot limit talent. Every classroom we touch becomes a gateway to possibilities, ensuring that no child is left behind.